Hi everyone, welcome to day one of new project. Let's understand what business analyst does. Okay, so we are continuing the story or journey of our character Ravi. So let's continue. So the primary goal is to understand what business analyst does in a real project. So a few weeks after understanding what a business analyst actually does, so Ravi got his first real opportunity. So he asked his senior what he actually does. So he said before he gathering anything, he listened. Okay, so not a job yet, a project assignment. So it is an online application, and today is day one. Okay. So Ravi wakes up early not because he is confident, because he is nervous. So he has one desire today running in his head. I don't want to look lost on day one. Okay, so that's what his primary goal. So he doesn't want to impress anyone. He just want to survive the first day. So if you are starting a project, if you are applying, if it is your first day, try to stay calm. So that's what the Ravi also want to do. So the problem, the meeting starts here. The people introduce themselves: project manager, tech lead, operation team, design, complaints, everyone. So everyone sounds busy as usual. Everyone sounds important because no one knows about you, right? So that's why they know you, but they didn't meet you, right? So let's see how Ravi starts a conversation and how he fit into the team. Okay, Ravi listens and suddenly feels something heavy. No one is explaining what exactly is expected from me. Okay, that's the case. No task list, no clear direction, just knows. Yeah, so this is what a normal requirement gathering or meeting should be. So the opponent show up again, not a person, it's a panic, right? So thoughts hit Ravi fast. Should I ask questions? What if I sound stupid? I guess these two questions always run in our head, not only Ravi, for everyone, right? So what if they expect me already know everything? Do you feel something like that? He remembers how freshers usually react. They either stay silent or start writing random notes to look busy. It's a reality, right? So Ravi almost does the same, almost. So let's see what's the Ravi's plan. Then Ravi remembers one simple idea: I don't need answer today, I need clarity. That's it. So instead of talking a lot, he decided listen differently. He listened for why this project exists, what problem they are trying to fix, who is worried in the room. So here he's trying to ask this question, right? So this is the user, what they are fixing, what is the goal of this project. He noticed something interesting. Business team keeps saying customer drop off. Okay, the tech team keeps saying requirements are unclear. Now Ravi has a plan. Ravi finally speak, not loudly, not confidently, just clearly say. He says, Before we talk about solutions, can I confirm one thing?" Instead of you are asking, hey, can you explain to me? So he's double. He's rephrasing the question carefully. The room goes quiet. The main issue, customers starting loan process but not finishing it. Is that correct? He asked the right question. So heads nod. Then Ravi asks, do we know where they drop up? Now the conversation changes. So just a simple question. He just double confirm what they talk, that customers are dropping. Is that right? Where the drop off is happening. Now he can find why, right? Screens come up, people explain, problem gets specific. For the first time, the meeting feels useful. That's the battle. So no arguing, not providing, proving knowledge, right? Like if you have a multiple stakeholder the customer care person will tell, okay, this is what happening, backend will tell this is what happening, and IT confused, right? So to avoid, so we just focus on what is the problem. So just turning confusion into clarity. That's more important. Instead of going circle. Self-realization. After the meeting, Ravi realized something. Day one is not about having solutions. It's about asking the first question, right? First question. He didn't design anything. He didn't write anything, but he did something more important. He helped everyone see the same problem. And suddenly he feels lighter. At the end of the day one, Ravi writes one simple sentence in his notebook. My job is not the smartest person in the room. My job is to make the room less confused. So, important skills. So again, I'll repeat. As a business analyst, your job is clarity, confirm. He closes his laptop. Day one is done. And for the first time, Ravi feels like, yeah, I can do this. Can you do this also? So most people think day one is about pressure, but for a business analyst, day one is about direction. In the next part of Ravi's story, we will see how he prepares for conversations before talking to business users, so something don't turn into chores. This journey is still about learning to ride the bike smoothly, confidently, without fear. I mean, the bike is the business analyst role, right? How to become a business analyst role without fear, with confidently and smoothly. All right. So I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.